guest tonight is America's top chef, Armin himself in the kitchen with Armin. It has been way too long. We're excited to have you.
So good to be back.
Back on the set, and we've got our amazing
Bryce,
Harry.
my assistant today.
Yes. Make some good things in the kitchen.
That's
We
right.
are. Tell us what we're going to make tonight.
So today we're going to make chicken pombodoro, and we've got a couple different things going on with this dish. It's not very complicated, so you just get your chicken, prep some things ahead of time. We've gone ahead and prepped some salads ahead of time, martini glasses, a nice pesto ranch sauce, and then we've got marinara, fettuccine, and we're going to make our pomodoro sauce over here. So to do that, I need Deborah's help a little bit. So I'm hoping she can dice me up a tomato.
Deborah with a knife.
Be careful. You know, traditionally this dish is an Italian dish. Tomatoes basically are the theme. So the pomodoro cut is just diced tomatoes. We're going to saute, pan-sear the chicken with a little flour. So go ahead and dice these. Just cut the top off first.
I like it when he said very simple and easy. Yes.
Yes.
I was going to say on a level of 1 to 10, 10 being chef and 1 being basic.
We got to keep it. We got to keep it simple. So
-1.
this is 5, maybe 5.5. We'll see where it goes. So I'm going to start dredging the chicken while she's cutting the tomatoes, and then.
So tell us what dredging chicken for our viewers out there may not.
So what we've done is we pounded out the chicken with a mallet, and so you can use a mallet or you can use a. Anything that's hard to pound the chicken out, so you get
Your husband's head.
Your husband's head, if you want. Whatever works. And remember, this is date night. We don't want to mess it up. So now we're going to take this. This is a nice seasoned flour. I've got some basil. I've got some flour, salt, and pepper. The chicken's already been tenderized, and that's what that basically does. Now we're going to pan sear this, and you just want that light coating of flour. And what the flour does is it helps brown the chicken, but it'll also help thicken this sauce when we get ready to put the tomatoes in it. So we've got this going here. And we hope to get a nice good heat on it because you want to get it golden brown so that it's nice and crisp. So I'm going to turn this heat up just a little bit.
Turn the heat up, baby.
Get it
Turn the
cooking.
heat up. That's right.
Good
And
luck,
I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this because we don't need this anymore.
So the good news is if I cut
Put that down on
myself
that side.
dicing, then you would never know it's red
Exactly.
tomatoes.
You won't know. And the
won't.
aromas are nice, but the vine ripe are great. So any kind of tomato you really want to use. And then with our salad, we used grape tomatoes with feta cheese. Took some ranch dressing and some pesto sauce.
Ooh, that sounds
and made it nice and flavorful. So it's got a nice little green color to it. So if you want to just add a little of that to the salad so we can see what it looks like.
Are these diced enough or more?
Those are perfect, Deborah. You've learned a lot over the years.
I have. Thank you, Armin.
I'm so proud of you.
If you were in the kitchen a lot more, I could probably be top chef too.
I know. So once we get this chicken cooked, we're going to go ahead and make our sauce. This just takes about 3 minutes or so. And we're going to thicken this a little bit, turn it over, and then we're going to add the cream, the vodka, and the tomatoes to it. So
Did you say vodka?
Yeah,
I like that.
Vodka.
That got our attention.
Cool.
Yeah, that's got your attention. And I'm going to get Bryce started over here with our pasta. And we're not going to cook this too high because we just want it to simmer. Now, I did cook the pasta ahead of time. So you can have your pasta ready to go. It's a nice little show for you and your mate when you're having dinner. So go ahead and put the pasta in the pan. It'll heat up. And this is about enough for 3 people. This is a good brand of pasta. I like it because it cooks fast. 3 minutes to cook. We're already cooked.
Pasta, right?
Yeah, spinach fettuccine. And you see we're getting a nice sizzle here. Getting a nice little golden brown on the bottom here.
Smells delicious.
So, Bryce, I have a question for you.
Okay.
So, let's be honest. How often do you cook? I know you're busy.
Define cook.
Yeah,
Honestly,
time.
it's hard.
Not
Living
heated up.
by yourself, it's hard for me to do something like this unless I want to eat it for the rest of the week. But I enjoy doing this. So I mean,
Once a week, maybe?
Once a week, probably. Yeah.
Well, that's good. This
Now,
is
what
easy
about
to
our
do.
top chef? How often do you cook?
I cook almost every day.
Right.
So, being in the business, we cook a lot all the time. But it's always nice, if you have a little bit left over, you have it for lunch the next day. Pasta, you don't have to use it all at once. You can just add a little at a time if you want it.
So that was a good answer.
It was a
Because
great
if you're
answer.
a chef, you need to cook every
Right, you do
day.
need to cook every day. You don't get the time off.
Oh my gosh, this even...
It smells delicious.
It smells great. And this is just the chicken. Wait till we get the sauce on it. Now over here, I made a nice homemade marinara. And that basically, we took the Roma tomatoes that were fresh, cooked them down, made a sauce, added some garlic, basil, thyme, oregano, good Italian seasoning.
Are there good ones out there to buy if you didn't? Someone that wasn't.
There's so many good sauces on the market. Just watch the ones that have a lot of sugar because they get really sweet on you.
Okay.
This is a very traditional sauce. So crushed tomatoes, tomato paste, and it's very nice. So now you can just add that to the pasta. We're about done here on the chicken. And Debbie, you did a really nice job on those tomatoes.
Thank you.
What I need you to do.
Look at Deborah over there.
Why don't you see if you can scoop those up with that little spoon here. Get them on the plate for me. So Deborah, how often do you cook at home now that you've got all my great recipes?
So you had to
I was gonna say it's only fair.
Yeah.
So my husband loves to cook at our house. So I would say maybe I cook once a month.
Once a month?
Honestly.
On the show.
On the show with me. With me on the show.
That's it. I confess. Like, I could have lied and said I cook all the time, but I don't. Armin makes it easy, though.
This is smelling really, really good.
I'm going to take this chicken off because this is cooked, and then we just want to use what's left in here, and we're going to add those diced tomatoes to this. That's good there, man. And a nice sear on these.
It's getting hot in here. It's the flame of burner.
So burn it up, burn it up. Something to burn and love, right?
That's what makes you look professional.
There you go.
Don't try it at home.
So now we're going to add our scallions. So we've got
Don't try this at home.
2 tomatoes. We've got a couple stems of scallions just diced up nice. And this might flame up a little bit more on us when we add our vodka to the sauce and the cream.
Glad you pre-warned
It happens
that
always.
way.
Add a little vodka.
So we're just going to add a little bit of vodka.
That was a good one.
And
Open
you can-
wide, insert.
And I don't know if that's a little bit or a lot of it.
There you go.
There we go. So we're going to let that cook off a little bit. Now you can add the vodka first and let it simmer down, or you can do it like this. And we can get a nice little flame going again for you.
Woo!
And turn that down.
See, my
turn that
date night
down,
would include the fire department.
which we're hoping we're not going to have happen. And then we're going to do
That is not what you want.
add a little bit of cream to this. It'll take that fire down for us real quick.
And that's just the alcohol burning off, right? Is that
It's the alcohol burning. And it's nice for show, so you get a little bit of
See, the
Dinner
alcohol
and a
is gonna
show.
burn out. So there's
Right.
really, what is the point of adding really though?
the alcohol just gives it a nice flavor, takes some of the bitterness out of the tomatoes, and just tops. It makes that sauce. So let's get this flame going back up again here. And so basically, we've got 2 different kinds of sauces going, but they go really well together with the chicken. So what I need you to do, Bryce, is you can take the pasta out.
okay?
We can
I
put some on
discard
this.
these,
You want to do it
correct?
the top?
Yeah, we can discard those. We can get that up here. You can do it with both spoons.
Okay.
Might be easier.
Just a little bit of.
So the pasta's got a nice sauce. It's nice and rich and
Oh, it
green
smells
and
really
healthy. It's good sauce and pasta. And then we're gonna go ahead and take our chicken, Deborah, and we're gonna put it on top of the pasta now. And we can just do 2 pieces here. We
Oh, this
can-
is a Lady in the Tramp style.
Yeah, exactly.
Date night.
We'll fix this up.
Oh, after
then-
the flame.
And we know nothing goes to waste on the show. The crew eats everything when it's
Yeah.
left over. So we're gonna take some of our Parmesan.
Do they ever?
Let me turn this off.
You're the
You can
favorite.
turn this one off. And these burners are great if you want to get them and take the show on the road, go camping.
There you
know,
go.
it's
There
great
you go.
idea.
Tailgating.
You
Yeah.
go glamping.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
so here we go. We got our nice creamy sauce. It's thickened up a little bit. We could thicken it up a little bit more, but we're going to add this over the chicken. And we could let it cook a little bit more, but this is perfect. Lots of color to this dish.
It's very pretty.
That is so pretty. It was so simple. Really, literally, you have been.
And then you
in
can
the
just
kitchen
take your
5
Parmesan
minutes, yeah.
cheese. Go ahead and use your fingers. There you go. There's
Bam.
your dish. And
Bam.
Bryce, this is something you love. The grocery stores carry fresh cut herbs that are dry now. And you can just take this and sprinkle
Really?
a little more basil over it.
Oh wow.
No work in it.
See,
Just
that's-
take it out, open it up, last 2 weeks in your fridge.
Awesome.
So you're good. So, Deborah, what do you think? Can you do this?
I think I could do this.
Bryce, can you?
I think I can. I know I can eat it.
I can eat it.
But I
Let me
think
cut a couple
the
pieces.
steps looked easy enough to where I would definitely attempt it.
And Bryce, the best thing about being co-host
Yep.
is you get to taste.
You get the taste. You get the taste. So I'll let Deborah taste a little piece with the sauce here.
Okay.
And I've got a napkin for you too, Deborah. I won't let you spill all over your pretty blouse.
Okay.
All right, let's see if we can do this. Here you go, Deborah. Ooh, see, I knew you'd drop it. And Bryce. And we're all family here, so we don't mind sharing the
my
same
gosh.
fork. And I'm going to try a little piece too.
I'm
my God.
speechless.
That's
It
so
is
good.
so amazing.
Very good.
Oh my gosh.
So it's very
So
easy.
good.
You know, it's so simple to do. Took us less than 15 minutes. A couple things you want to prep ahead of time. Your tomatoes, your scallion stuff. But like I said, you can buy some of those already done for you. And then you've got a beautiful salad too. So great date night. Couples cook together, and
That would be fun. That's awesome.
This was amazing.
Yep.
Now, we always have you on our show because you're just one of our absolute favorite guests ever. And so you can always rewind, recheck, go forward for this recipe. And also check us out on our YouTube channel, The Deborah Kennedy Show. So we'll have everyone's shows on their segments so we can check out more of you on the YouTube channel. So,
Right, and we'll have all these recipes on her show, on the podcast, and on my website. So,
Gabby, thank you.
Mwah.
It was
Thank you.
amazing.
Bryce, great job.
Well, thank
Great
you.
job, buddy.
In the Kitchen with Armin is always going to be over Top Chef.